How to change your username on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your username on Messenger. So if you want to update your username for better personalization or privacy, you are in the right place. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your menu section, simply tap on the option labeled as Settings. And after tapping on that, you will be prompted to the Settings section. From here, simply scroll down and tap on Username. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Edit Username. And now in this page, simply tap on the type bar and you can type in your desired new username. But keep in mind that your username is unique, so you may need to try different combination if your first choice is already taken. And once you have picked a username you like, simply tap on the save button, and after that your new username will be updated. And that's it. That's how you can change your username on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.